Let us commit aviation.
Let us commit aviation.
Gear down.
Yeah. Committing recreational aviation. All right, let's go. You sure?
Timer cleared.
Yeah, here we go.
Gear up.
And there you go, climbing out above me. Don't hit me, dang it.
I won't.
Yeah, we were climbing out together, and then you just kept going. I kind of ran out.
Well, I have to give it a, let it get some speed first. Otherwise it'll stall. I've got one in there too. Same one you do, actually.
6,050 C?
Yep.
Unsafe time.
Slightly different motor setup, though.
Yeah, I know. You got a 4092, right?
Yep. It's actually making the plane a little tail heavy, but since I have the gyro,
It's such a big honking motor, yeah.
It
Right, we can slow down
with the gyro, it makes it manageable.
I remember you had to put, like, when you were flying with the China Hobby Line 5000, you had to put them in sideways.
Yeah.
To get them far forward enough.
And I do the same thing with the HRB.
Yeah, I put mine about half-inch back from the blue box. It's perfect.
Mine's like on the blue box. Literally.
You could unscrew that and move that to the side, and you could get it further forward.
That's probably something worth doing.
All you have to do is just unscrew it and Velcro to the sidewall. There's no gyro built into it.
No. Look at that sunset. Oh my God, that's gorgeous.
Behind the clouds. I'm coming in. Low pass.
I'll be behind you. I'll give you some space.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Very close.
Oh, you want to play the close game?
No, it's okay.
Not even.
30 seconds.
Woo! That's all in my camera.
I would have come behind us with that damn pizza pans hanging up over there.
All up in the camera.
I don't want to fly into the pizza pan.
Whew.
That'd be spectacular though, if I went
been.
straight into the damn pizza pan.
I hate this
Full
damn
throttle.
things.
10, 9, 8,
Ah, that was a good pass.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Look at that sunset.
1.
Holy crap.
Time expired.
Been mainly flying below half, so.
Not me, but I'm good. I'm flying at 6,000, so I'm chilling.
All right, I'm coming in.
Gear down.
Man, I still smell all that jet fuel. Okay. Yep. There's lift right there. Ah! Nice. Very nice.
I was going for the turf, and I'm like, yeah.
Yeah, I kind of went into the grass here.
I'm gonna try to fly this one more time. Do like a solo flight with the lights and stuff.
Go
I haven't
ahead.
flown this thing solo with the new lights I added.
Go. We'll be good. I'll fly something else.
Well, I'm gonna wait for the little bar.
I'm not gonna fly. I'm flying the F-18 right
The
now.
sun goes down at 7:19, so it's all like 20 minutes after.
Yeah. I'm not gonna fly way past dark because